There's a new layer 1 blockchain project going on named Ultron, and they reached out to me to tell you a little bit about them. As I mentioned, Ultron is a layer 1 blockchain, meaning that it has its own native tokens and can be used for other applications. Just like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Binance Smart Chain, etc., it has its own token named ULX, and it already has like over 20 apps. They have their own exchange and their NFT marketplace, unlike other projects who kind of let other developers do whatever they want. They have developed all of these on their own so that their ULX token can be used across all of them. So it acts as a base token for every app. They are still working on new features. As you can see, most of them are coming soon, but they have bridges already available for 5 major blockchains like Ethereum, Binance, Avalanche, Polygon, and Phantom. I don't use Polygon and Phantom all that much, but Avalanche and BSC are one of my most used blockchains. So yeah, that's good. And Ultron supports Ethereum based wallets. So if you use a wallet like MetaMask, for example, which is an Ethereum based one, you can directly add Ultron token to it. The ULX token is right now just at 1 cent, but their exchanges will open in about a week. So they're expecting the prices to go up from there. Based on the estimates that they have shared with me, it may be anywhere from 2 to 5 cents. So 2 to 5 times growth. And even though it sounds pretty ridiculous, I think it's possible because, as I said, it's a layer 1 protocol. You see, every other layer 1 chain that we know of, like Ethereum, BNB, etc., have significantly grown over the years because there is that much more applications to it. These layer 1 blockchain tokens are not like those meme coins. They have actual utility, meaning that you can build games and marketplaces using them. And there is already a football-based game developed by Devla, I think. There is a preview which I will leave a link in the description. In fact, I'll share all of the details that they have shared with me in the description so you can openly access it. And the team seems pretty transparent about it. Like, they haven't really tried to dodge any questions that I have asked. Like, they have provided in detail answers to all of my questions I've raised. So I'm fairly confident with this project. Since it is only 1 cent as of now, and when more of their features such as swapping, staking, and of course their decentralized exchange in total, when that launches, I'm sure the prices will rise. Of course, it'll depend to what scale it will rise. I mean, we may not see another Ethereum as such, but we will see some rise for sure. If it is truly a layer 1 platform as they're claiming, there will be a lot of apps that use this. And after all, it is like Avalanche. It has very low transaction fees. That's why I love Avalanche more than Ethereum. I mean, this is how any technology progresses. Like, whenever there is an existing tech which has some flaws, a newer tech is built that can address those flaws. So we as customers overall will benefit from that. I mean, the whole reason why we have so many different networks like Ethereum is because the already existing titans like Bitcoin don't really do anything. I mean, think about it. Bitcoin really has no value in the sense that it doesn't really have any real world utility. The only reason why it has value is because crypto whales have been using it as some kind of a blockchain-based digital gold. Its supply is running out and a lot of big whales are buying it. That's the only reason why it has a lot of value, and it fluctuates a lot as usual. I mean, in terms of actual real-world value and in developing applications, Ethereum puts Bitcoin to shame, and of course other networks too. Cardano and Solana have done crazy well in the past. I'm sure you have heard the news. So if everything goes according to plan, we may see Ultron in the same list. They've undergone audits and they have made their white paper available, which, as I said, I'll link in the description. Please take a look at it yourself. I'm not telling you what to do or suggesting anything, but I think I'll invest a little bit in there. So if you like what you see from the description and want to join in, you can use that first link which I have given. It'll help me out a bit. I'll leave more details about purchasing and their decentralized exchanges in the description as well, or in the pinned comments, so you can take a look. And after looking through the links, if you do decide to buy it, then you have to purchase it from a platform called Maybe. If you click on the first link in the description, it'll take you to this site where you have to create an account. You can use your Google account. It hardly takes like a minute. Just enter your email and create a password. You then have to purchase one of these packages that you see. Since their decentralized exchange is not live yet, the only way to purchase ULX is through the staking hub. So let's go with the basic plan here. It costs about 100 USDT. And there are 2 networks supported, Binance Smart Chain and Tron. I'll choose BEP20, and of course they'll give you a warning that whatever you're sending has to be on the same network, so please make sure that it's the same thing. Otherwise your assets will be lost. You can add USDT to your existing wallet. I mean, you can go to CoinMarketCap and you will see the contracts. Just click on one thing and you'll immediately get a prompt from MetaMask. There's a really simple way of adding it regardless of which wallet you use. So once you add that, you can purchase it from any platform you like, for example Binance. So purchase about $100 worth of USDT, which is 1 to 1 to a US dollar. And once you have that, you can then transfer it to this address. This address will be shown to you only after you click on I understand and go next. Just copy that address from here and paste it onto your wallet wherever you are sending it from, and make sure that the network is the same. Most wallets nowadays, like the Binance one I'm using, they automatically match the networks and only give you a list of compatible ones. So there is very minimal chance of you losing your assets. But still, let's be careful anyways and double check. So BEP20 matches, so now we can go ahead and send. So once you send it, you can close it and you will get an email saying that the team will confirm the payment within 48 hours. I know it's not as straightforward as directly buying it on a platform itself because they don't have their live platform yet. Once their exchange is live, you can purchase it from there obviously, but what they are saying is the price may be more there. So I transferred about 100 USDT. Let's see what happens. I'll leave updates in the pinned comments and you can follow along with me if you're interested. Other than that, if you have any questions, let me know.